Hi guys, today we are talking about open syllables. Okay, what is a syllable anyway? Well, a syllable is a word or a part of a word that has one vowel sound. As you can see, this one has an O as its vowel. So we need to figure out what sound O makes because O can make more than one sound. And the way to figure that out is to know what kind of syllable it is. This one happens to be an open syllable, okay? An open syllable is when the syllable ends in a vowel. It ends in a vowel. That means that there is not a consonant behind it. So the door is open and the vowel can say his name. And this vowel's name is O, which means the sound is going to be O. See? So an open syllable has one vowel sound. It does not end in a consonant. All right, so let's practice these open syllable words. Ready? Go. That was an easy one. Let's say it fast. Go. Yeah, that's the word, go. Good job. Let's do another one. Okay, again, we see one vowel. We see that the syllable is ending in this vowel and that it's open. There's nothing behind it. It's open, so it can say its name. And its name is I. So this vowel says I, right? All right, let's sound out this word or this syllable. Hi. That was easy too, wasn't it? Say it fast. Hi. Yeah, that's the word and syllable hi. Let's do another one. Okay, what's our vowel? Our vowel is E. Is it open or closed? Well, look behind it. It's open. There's nothing there. So that means our vowel can say its name, and its name is E. So it says E. Okay, let's sound this word out. Me. Say it fast. Me. This is the word me. Good job. Let's do another one. Okay, what vowel is in this word? The vowel is O. And is it open or closed? It's open. There is nothing behind it, so it is open to say its name. And its name is O. So it says O. All right, so let's sound out this word. So. Say it fast. So. Yeah, this is the word so. That was easy, wasn't it? All right, let's try one more. Okay, now this one does look a little different because it has a digraph in the beginning, a sh, right? But let's see if it changes anything. Where is our vowel? There it is, our vowel is E. Now, is it open or closed? That means, is there anything behind it? There is nothing behind the E that closes the door. So that means it is open. And when it's open, it says its name. Right, exactly. And the name of this letter is E. So it says E. So let's sound out this word. Ready? She. Ah, did you hear the word? Say it fast. She. Yeah, she read the word she. Good job. Great work reading open syllables with me.